Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change body in Roblox quickly and easily. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are in, tap on the avatar menu at the bottom center of your screen. This will take you to your character customization page where you can change various aspects of your avatar. Now, to change your body, tap on customize. From there, select head and body. Here you will find different options like head, torso, left arm, left leg, and more. Tap on any part you want to change. After tapping a body part, you will see the available styles or body shapes that you own. Simply tap on the one you want to apply and it will automatically update your avatar. If you don't see many options, you can get more body parts by visiting the shop section. Search for free or paid body bundles and add them to your inventory. You can also mix and match different body parts to create a unique look for your character. Once you are happy with the changes, simply go back and your avatar will be saved with the new body. And that's it. Now you know how to change body in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.